Are you tired and boring cleaning home with old methods? It's time to try new technology. Hello guys, welcome to Modern Home. This video I'm talking about awesome home cleaning gadgets you should buy. So stay connected to us. Before we started, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Don't forget to leave a like. Okay, let's start. Number 6.
The Pure Cordless can clean a whole house in one go, even the biggest house, and do it quickly. Our product beats its competitors on 3 key innovations. Loop's brushless motor spins over 100,000 RPM, and our patented suction intensifier does the rest, developing almost twice as much useful suction than any other cordless. Dust pickup is outstanding, and you will be amazed how clean your home can be. Our lithium-ion technology delivers fade-free, constant power right until the end. One charge will give 1 full hour with 100% pickup performance. We did not just design a powerful cordless, we created a fully portable 3-in-1 machine with onboard tool storage that can clean anywhere. There is no trigger to hold, just a simple on-off switch. Loop's single universal cleaning head is brilliant on all surfaces, large debris types and pet hair. Do more with less. It has fully washable filters with HEPA allergy filtration, meaning the air coming out is cleaner than the air going in. We also integrated an extra large 1 litre bagless container bin for ease of use. Once finished, Loop stands by itself or will fit in your kitchen cupboard, and its battery is removable so you can charge it separately.
Having worked at other appliance brands, witnessing the waste generated by outdated, non-repairable designs, it is our founding principle to design products that serve you as long as possible, through using high quality materials and building in easy maintenance and service should the unforeseen happen. Future battery advances can be purchased as upgrades without the environmental impact and cost of a whole product purchase.
There's been some dramatic changes in the marketplace with cordless stick vacs making a huge impact in the market. Loop have developed a product that gives you the versatility of an upright, a cylinder, and a stick vac all in one. This vacuum cleaner will clean stairs, it'll clean upholstery, inside of your car, and it's built to be user-friendly. Loop really is a game changer.
Loop Cordless is ready to use straight out of the box. It consists of the main body, a single universal cleaning head, a wand attachment, crevice and upholstery tools, and a high-performance rechargeable battery with charger. Lucas and I met whilst working as engineers at Dyson, so the world of vacuum cleaners is very familiar to us. Years later after leaving, we were frustrated at seeing many cordless vacuums not performing as claimed. We felt that in order to make a pure cordless cleaner, we had to start from a blank sheet of paper. We spent the last 3 years designing, developing, building and testing countless prototypes, improving every time to push the limits of what is achievable. We've now perfected our quality and performance and are truly proud of the Pure Cordless. The company is run by the 2 of us, but we are a bigger team of engineers and experts, including venture capital funders and high quality manufacturing partners ready for mass production.
Number 5. Number 4.
This is Vabroom, a smarter way to clean your floors. No more dustpans or bulky vacuums required. With Vabroom, just sweep dirt and debris into a pile, then tilt to the side. The pressure-activated nozzle quickly and easily cleans up any mess. When done, just empty right into the trash. Bombs away. No more dustpan lines or sweeping under the rug. Vabroom is powered by a 14,000 RPM motor to suck up any debris on contact. Okay, almost any debris. Yet weighing just 30 ounces, it's easy to maneuver and handle for those hard-to-reach places. The intelligently designed nozzle makes for simple and ergonomic use, while also maximizing suction so you leave nothing behind. Whether it's a mess made by the children, your pets, or yourself, Vabroom has you covered. Even for those big messes, Vabroom can vacuum up to a cup of debris at a time. Battery operated, there are no messy cords, and it hangs for easy storage. Vabroom, cleaning your floors the smart way.
Number 3.
Here at Flushbrush, we think the typical toilet brush is in dire need of an upgrade. They really are the most disgusting thing we keep in our homes. Easily accessible to pets and children, they harbour germs and bacteria, and even splash toilet juices on the floor of your bathroom. This really needs to change, and we have the solution. Introducing the Flushbrush. Featuring a fine-textured silicone head, perfect for precision cleaning. The Flushbrush is unique because the head lives within the toilet, meaning it's kept clean and fresh with every flush, preventing the build-up of toilet juices and unpleasant bacteria in your bathroom. When you need to use it, grab the handle from the included floor stand or optional wall bracket. Push to attach the head in the cradle, clean the toilet and replace the head in the cradle when finished, using the release trigger on the handle to release. The head floats, so is easily recoverable if dropped into the bowl, thanks to a magnet on the side of the handle. To ensure the Flushbrush system works with every toilet everywhere, the cradle features a flexible aluminium bracket that you can adjust to fit your toilet to get optimal water coverage of the cleaning head.
Number 2.
You want a nice clean home. So you go out and get spray bottles and cleaners with chemicals for your furniture, your windows, your floors. By the time you get home, you end up looking like this.
Sorry again.
Look, no worries. I've got the perfect solution. This is Egret. It's an all-in-one cleaning agent.
Huh. All in one, you say?
All in one. It's a cleaning agent, it can disinfect the air, and it's even non-toxic.
So it's good to use on food?
Yep.
Pet toys?
Yep.
What about baby items?
Completely safe.
Whoa. It sounds expensive.
Not at all. It only costs about 10 cents a day.
Wow, I feel myself saving money already.
Well, you don't just save money, you also save the environment by cutting down on plastic consumption. And since Egret is a one-stop shop for cleaning agents, you won't have to worry about using separate plastic bottles over and over again. What are you doing?
I'm just freshening up. This thing really can do anything.
All right, how about we just hand that back over to
No, hey, dude, come on. Just give me the 2 minutes.
If you want to know more about Egret, take a look at this.
Number 1.
The Ultrasona is an ultra-portable device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything in ways never before possible. We built the Ultrasona for travelers cleaning on the go without breaking the bank, moms and dads trying to clean for those who can't clean for themselves, and for those just looking for a better way to clean clothing, fruits, veggies, jewelry, and hundreds of other things. At 50,000 ultrasonic vibrations per second, you can actually see the dirt lifting off the clothes, jewelry, food, and more. The Ultrasona cleans deeper, more thoroughly, and more effectively than anything else in your house. Here's how it works. Ultrasona generates microscopic ultrasonic sound waves that create high-pressure bubbles in the water that collapse and dislodge contaminants from surfaces at the microscopic level. That's right. It literally uses sound waves to eliminate dirt, grime, oil, and bacteria from virtually anything. The waves are powerful enough to break through this tin foil. But it's gentle enough to clean delicates and lingerie that can't go in the washer. Ultrasona is actually gentler than hand washing. All you have to do is put Ultrasona in water and plug it in. It's that easy. Ultrasona brightens linens and cleans stains in minutes. It's safe to use with satin, lace, and other delicate materials. With such concentrated power, Ultrasona cleans fast and deep. Ultrasona is the perfect cleaning tool for families. It can clean baby products, toys, and bed sheets in seconds. Clean scuffs and stains, and restore a brilliant shine to jewelry. Clean makeup off brushes and pads. Lift hard-to-clean grease off tools, and easily clean paintbrushes. It can also clean your razor and other personal hygiene items. Put Ultrasona into the sink after a meal and relax while it does all the work. Clean fresh fruits and vegetables and eliminate harmful pesticides and other contaminants in seconds. Sterilize the items most vulnerable to bacteria and protect those most vulnerable to microscopic dangers. Enjoy a cleaner home and a healthy family with Ultrasona. Simple presettings for jewelry, dishes, clothing, and food means you can plug and clean with a simple touch in seconds. Designed as a travel-friendly cleaner, Ultrasona is compact and lightweight enough for a day trip or extended vacation. It easily fits in purses, backpacks, or travel bags. Tired of loud washers? Ultrasona is almost completely silent, so you can wash without waking up the whole house. Not only is Ultrasona super quiet and super effective, it's also environmentally friendly. Until now, we've relied on conventional washing machines, dishwashers, and chemicals to do our cleaning. These outdated methods are expensive and waste massive amounts of water. Every year, water wastage contributes to disease and scarcity all over the world. It has also led to the tapping of irreplaceable groundwater supplies and permanent damage to the planet. The average household uses 36,000 gallons of water annually, 40% of which generated by your dishwasher and washing machine. Not only does Ultrasona use 40 times less water than washing machines, it also requires 15 times less energy to run, and it doesn't need hot water, one of the main carbon producers in homes. Ultrasona can reduce your water waste by thousands of gallons and carbon footprint by hundreds of pounds per year. Clean better, smarter, greener, and faster with Ultrasona. It's the best way to clean just about anything.